you doing, guys? Let's get right into a 500 match. We are going heli only challenge. We are redoing that challenge because I believe it's heli. I believe it's heli. I said we were gonna redo heli. So we got okay. This would be perfect for heli. I really hope he doesn't. I don't even know where my heli is, bro. Right here. Obviously, we can't use the chipper. Dude, that would be so elite, bro. That would be so elite. This, he wouldn't even be able to rush me. Because I would get up a whole bunch of left side. And it will just shred all of those BFEs. And then the Apaches will just clean everything up. Dude, that would be so elite, bro. But nah. Unfortunately, I wouldn't. I want to make this challenge fair, so I'll get back to you guys when it gets a little bit more interesting. So he used a lightning. I don't know if you guys just saw. And he also gets up a ice. I go for my village. And he uses another lightning, bro. I said it like that because I'm lazy. Not for any purposes besides that. At least I'm honest. Is this still in? It is. That's nice. It's still in. It's still in. It's still in range. Is he going just ice, bro? If he's going just ice, bro, he has to have Super Monkey. I'm gonna just send him whites, bro. And he uses his final lightning, bro. Are you joking? You're dead. You're dead. You just screwed up heavy. We're gonna go for a quadites. I don't even know what I'm saying, bro. Quad darts. Wow. Quadites. I might start saying that from now on. Quadites. Let me get my quadites up. What is a quadite anyways? Bro, I hope it's not anything inappropriate, bro. This is supposed to be family friendly. Bro, and he's going heli, bro. So on round 11, we are going, we're gonna be rude. We're gonna be very, very rude. We're gonna be mean to him. And he's gonna boost. He should be okay to this on a boost. Okay, yeah, he gets up another one of those. Is he good to that? Oh, he's dead. Yeah, I I was a little mean to him. So that's heli challenge all done. So we're versing Kiki. Do you love me? Right? That's the song, right? That's the song. Kiki, do you love me? Right? Right? Well, anyways. We'll go heli again. Just for the fun of it. We'll go heli again. Yep, just for the fun of it. We won't use... Bro, are you joking? You know what? No. I gotta use it. Bro. I have to. Bro, this is like a sign telling you guys to show you how the strategy is. It has to be. It has to be. There we go. And just because we are lazy, there we go. I don't know if it's like the smart move, not gonna lie, but oh well. I just don't want him annoying me when I want to farm. So, yeah. There's that. They go for a lightning immediately because they know Wizard sucks. Did I say that out loud? I mean, we did win with only Wizard, to be fair. So it has potential. It has potential. If Ninja Kiwi would buff it, I would definitely use Wizard. I would definitely, because I used to like it, and then I couldn't rely on it no more. I couldn't. It was making me lose. I was never gaining any medallions. I just couldn't do it. I didn't think it was worth risking all my medallions. I'm sorry. And he gets the worst ice spot. You literally could just went to the right, bro. All right. Do you, bro? And he goes for a farm now. Okay. I'll do the same. On round 9, we're gonna rubber to gold, especially if he doesn't send us anything. So there's that. I kind of want him to send me stuff, honestly. So, but beggars can't be choosers. Oh no. Oh no. I didn't want to go to YouTube. No. I was done with YouTube. I got bored with YouTube Shorts. I wanted to play. Okay. Go for this. Go for that. And if he tries to all out me, rubbers to gold, get up another one. You know what? I'm gonna just get more of that. Get that. Could I perfect that? Could I make that better looking? Probably not. I really want to get this better looking, bro. Okay, this guy is annoying me. You're going right there. There we go. quad darts for you. There we go. We want to get one right behind it. Target too strong. And then if we need to sell, we will. Hold on, copyright. Okay. Anyways, as we were rudely interrupted, boom, we go for that. Right before round 20. And we want to save our last rubbers to gold for round 25. We want to get the downdraft on this bad boy. There we go. This dude's trying to go Cobra now? Really? You're trying to go Cobra right now? Are you joking? Are you joking? And he's dead. Well, really, dude, really. You want to give me okay? That's what I was about to say. You're gonna give me all your medallion? Well, there you guys go. Heli challenge for the first match.